Hi guys, I wanted to show you in this video about this project. Today is my first day here. I came to check this project and look here what I found and need to show you. Like here they poured the diamond, for the two interior columns. So we have here and there and there. So here when they did the saw cut, they did saw cut here and there. It's supposed to be came from that point, like how they did here the other side. Okay, they need to do the same here for this side. And you can see here the crack started here. You can see the crack came from that point, and from that point you can see crack here at that point. Same thing over there. The control joint didn't hit that point, so they're supposed to shift it to be here, so there's no crack here. Okay, but they did measurements, like each 10 foot whatever, and they ignore the most important point here. So there's cracks everywhere because they missed this side. Okay, you can see it here. That's the crack. The crack will start from that point. You can see go and stop at that control joint. That's one thing I figure out. And the other thing here, when they poured concrete, we have a lot of plumbing pipes. Okay, and we have also electrical conduits. So you can see cracks here. Look, started from conduit going this way to the end, from conduit to conduit, conduit to conduit. Okay, from here to that joint, and you can see from conduit here all the way that direction. That's everywhere. Here they're supposed to wrap it with like half inches sponge, wrap it half inches. So all those pipes stick up, they need to wrap it. As you can see, here's the crack. So if they wrap it here like half inches joint, okay, that's what I did every project, half inches or 3/4 inch, here expansion board, wrap it well so that crack will not start. So everything you can see here. So all those pipes should be wrapped before they pour concrete, so that to minimize cracks on slab for this project. So this video about how to pour concrete for slab. Okay, you can see cracks everywhere. Okay, you can see cracks everywhere. And they need to do good curing for concrete. You can see cracks. That's not good for concrete slab. They should do good curing. They can do wet curing or chemical curing. You can see here they did control joint here. They missed that point, so there's a crack going this way. And so they should do control joint here, this direction and this direction and here, to minimize the cracks. Yeah, they should do good curing. There's a chemical curing or wet curing, keep moisture for concrete. So if you like this video, please guys, just subscribe and like. I will upload more videos about construction work, so you can see my videos about construction work. You can see here they should do control joint this way, control joint this way. Here they did good, but they missed the other direction. Okay guys, thank you, have a good day, bye.